Hi kids! Welcome back to Moony! Today, we're gonna make Suncatchers. Suncatchers are a window decal, so you can decorate your window. Let's look at everything we have. We have some paint. We have blue paint, purple paint, green paint, black paint, orange, red, glitter blue, yellow, glitter pink, and glitter white. I am so excited for this craft. Let's look at our sun catchers that we get to paint. We have a llama. I love llamas. A turtle. Aww. A sun. Hey, the opposite of the sun is the moon. Yeah, like Moony. We have an ice cream cone. My favorite ice cream flavor is strawberry. We have a donut, a narwhal, a unicorn, a hot air balloon, a rainbow, and a butterfly. There are so many awesome options. I wonder which one I should do first. Can you help me decide?
Yes!
Do you think I should... The narwhal! I love narwhals. Do you know the song? Narwhals, narwhals, swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, 'cause they are so awesome. Let's get to painting. All right, the first color I want to use is the glitter blue. I love glitter. Awesome! The next color I'm going to use is glitter white. Now I'm going to use the glitter pink paint for his blush. I kind of want to make it a rainbow. Love him. Now we just have to wait for him to dry. All right, he's almost done drying. I had so much fun today. Thank you for all of your help. Should we name him before you go? Yeah? What about... Oh, I know. Ned the narwhal. Everyone say, hi, Ned the narwhal. I had so much fun today. Thank you so much. You should make one at home too. Oh, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.